Aar Machh'er Jhol. Aar fish 8 pieces marinated with turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/2 teaspoon, potato 3 cubes per piece, slice onion 2 medium, paste onion 1 medium, oil to fry potatoes 3 tablespoons. Now put potatoes in hot oil, marinated potatoes with salt, potatoes fried and cooked. Now fry marinated fish in same oil. Coat the fish with little oil before frying to avoid burn from hot oil spray. Fish fry done. Add oil 1 tablespoon for curry, red chili 2, bay leaves 2, cardamom 3, cinnamon 1/4 inch, pinch of whole jeera. Add sliced onions. Fry onions until golden. Add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Keep flame low. Add onion paste 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Jeera powder 1 1/2 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Add a little water so the masala doesn't burn. Salt 1 teaspoon. Pinch of sugar. Add fried potatoes. After 2 minutes, add warm water 500 ml. Let the curry boil. Add fish after boiling the curry. After 4-5 minutes, check salt. Put up the gas. Have with hot plain rice.